So I just built my own complete social media marketing scheduler using the Cloud Code. So instead of paying for expensive scheduler tools, I can use everything directly with my own local host. So and the best part, I'm using with free GitHub projects, so you can also download, customize them, and use completely free without any cost. So in this video, the complete stuff is like building the scheduler system using the Cloud Code and able to use completely free. So yeah, that's all. So you can see that this is the complete structure of how our scheduler system work and all. So I will explain you not the complete, this is a detailed information, but I will explain the little bit information only. So what was the important and all. So first of all, like we connected to GitHub and all for use building our complete thing and all. And from the code management and reusability of code and all. So we use like GitHub and all. So we deploy new repository and deploy all the codes and we use localhost for managing and complete UI front and backend only. So this is the basic structure of our system and all with no cost and all. So yeah, so first of all you can see this is the first structure. So what it explained like it is how the structure was worked. So you can see this is a GitHub file and the front end and back end was connected to the localhost system. And you can see that is the files and all. HTTP API was run for calling the system and all. And from the data, so it save like post table, account table, and schedule information in this SQLite version. So that was the thing. And after that, like this is the structure. Like if you wanted to add new post, add existing new things, and deleted the post, and this is the structure we work for our things and all for our scheduler system. So you can see like if you want to save and it's save like send to the backend call and save in the database management. So it is the whole structure. You can also connect it like Superbase also. That is much better. But we are making with zero cost. That's why we does not use Superbase. Superbase is the best option. If you can with free trial also you can build and that was the thing. And after that, this is the technology stacks and all. So, which we think we use in the code model and all. So you can see that Node.js, Express, React, and all this is a complete structure. This whole thing was recommended by Cloud, Cloud only for which has to use and all. So yeah, that was the thing. And this is like complete the real world thing like for where we can use. So basically, we are building from our marketing and all of doing social media marketing. So we have to do like multiple posts and blogs and completing also. That was we are building to make a schedule and all. So that was we are creating. So you can see that this is the real usage was shown by the things. So what where you can use like content creating, social media manager, blog and all, and business owner and all. That was a complete thing where we can use and all of complete structure and all. And after that, like this is like completely the storage information, like how the data was stored in the backend and all. So this is a complete structure. So yeah, let's open the Cloud Code and start building and all. So first of all, I already talked little bit in the Cloud, not in the Cloud Code version, the basic chat version. So we talk little bit how to build and all. So that was we built it. The complete structure was built by the Cloud only. So we previously see that we explained that all complete thing. So that was a complete thing we talk which the system has to add, what has to add, and complete thing and all. And after that, what I did like I make the complete thing like make a copy paste from to paste in the Cloud Code to build a complete structure. So it is much easy because it know already which has to add, which to not. So it make the complete prompt. So we can just copy paste and the whole thing was work perfectly. So you can see that I mean giving the prompt like maybe copy paste prompt to the Cloud Code to build the complete system. And after that you can see that it built a complete structure and you can see the file format. So this is a completely UI thing. This is a backend complete structure. So you can see that it recommend the file which has to build and which thing and all completely in the proper format. So and after that like this is things styling information, backend requirement and accounts and all. This is a completely basic thing what has to do and all. So we just copy complete thing, just go to Cloud Code. So using the paid plan of Claude Code, because the Claude Code does not provide with free plan. You can only chat with Cloud Chat only. For code, you need a premium plan. So you just paste it in the new chat. Okay, count and just deploy. So it start, we use Sonnet model. You can also use Fable, but it is little bit more API cost and all. So that's why Sonnet is the best, or you can use a Heku 4.5. And you can see it analyzing the complete thing. So yeah, after that you can see that it takes total 9 to 20 minutes to build the structure, and you can see it open on the local host, and you can see the UI. It work like open and see how it's working. With little bit of network error was showing. But you can see this export import option was working perfectly. This is the dashboard. So little bit of network error was showing. Post like you can just create like adding the post. There is LinkedIn X. You can add the game scheduler. That was a great thing. I think this is 26. It's in a schedule. It's saving, but network error was showing. Let see other feature it's working or not. It is a complete system and account dark mode. The dashboard. Let's see. Let's take screenshot of network error. So we give the command, it analyzing and fixing the issue of network error and all. So after that, you can see I make a random one Reddit post. You just copy and paste the software is working or not. So just we paste the software. Platform is select Reddit account. They have no option of account. So I have to save like today only. So save draft. So the post created successfully. Then thinking. So it's in the calendar 26. So it's showing it's updated on the calendar also. And yeah, that's also thing like the red one. Draft new calendar. So it's not able to open like export. Please see. Download. So you can see it's saved in the structure and all. So you can see that the whole post was completely saved perfectly in a schedule also. So you can see in calendar also showing the complete information. And the dashboard also update completely. So if you want to like use, just have to export and check is able to export or not. Mm, mm. And you can see the complete post was saved, but you can also use with dashboard only if it does not able to use. If you want to like just have to go to edit and copy and paste, you can use. So if I'm thinking to add the option like one open with one click, the whole post was open. You can see that I added the option. So in this, I'm taking to add the option. So how it's work. So after that, clicking it, viewing the option like Reddit, LinkedIn, X, whatever I add. After I click, it's able to show the complete list. In this slide, we have to click on edit. Then the post was showing. So that was I think little bit not satisfaction. So I'm thinking to add the option. So it directly show the complete leads and complete post and all for better understanding. So just we have to just open and copy. You can use. Just mention the copy option also. In this, like we update, like we added the options to copy, edit, and delete in that also. So yeah, just paste. So you can see that it added the option completely. The complete dashboard only. In the post, you can see that LinkedIn, rate, and all options. So you can just copy and just able to paste again. So yeah, the completing was working perfectly. Little bit change as to there. So in this we have to add our name, and I'm thinking to add there is option also. So we can use to blog and completing also. In this there is a limitation option like Reddit, LinkedIn and X, but I'm thinking if I have to add the option, it's able to display or it's able to work. So just use the prompt, just take the screenshot. So in this we are giving the cloud to two changes. First of all, in this add our name in the scheduler as founder map. And second one is like accounts. So we can add more accounts like blog and all, and just put the name and all. So which was the thing I'm to add. And we have also changed little bit of UI also. It's looking much simple HTML format. And thinking to change little bit and publish on GitHub and open on that only. It's able to work or not. So directly it's able to change or deploy. So So it takes total 10 to 20 minutes to build the complete structure and it do completely perfectly and it change little bit of UI also. So we'll show you. So in this account you can see add multiple options like block what you want to add. Decide to username, display name, personal and add. It is completely structured and all thing like post and all. So just you have to click LinkedIn. You can also create a post and you can also add in this also and you can also able to see this. So yeah, all the thing was working perfectly. Just change the UI with our style little bit. So after all, like we check all the complete issues and all. So we check like if user can also use. So I'm thinking to publish on GitHub, a public repository where you can also use this complete structure for free. So it does not add any API and also zero cost. So you can also use and store. So I talk little bit on more like how to do and all. And after that, like there was a little bit error in delete issues and all. So we fixed like adding the delete options and all. So little bit of UI also changed. So in the post system, there is a delete section was not working. So we fixed the issue and added the block system and little bit of issue with fixed and done. Adding the settings and all. So UI also changed. So that was the thing we changed. And after that, like I test the complete thing. So I'm giving you the prompt to the Claude Code to check all the issues were working perfectly or not, or it done completely. So you can see the all issues were checked passed completely, and also that I am talk like make a repository to simple to user and also how it work like if you click on the GitHub and start web and the automatically the complete thing was work and in the backend structure and all and store the complete thing. So that was the thing I'm thinking to add. So let's push on the GitHub and let's see it work or not. So you can see that we published our thing completely, our social media scheduler in the public mode and also have like redeem file if the non-coder has to use this complete instruction like how to set up and all. And this is also the terminal command and all, so it does not do like a lot of stuff. Just have to copy paste things and your complete structure was ready to use. So yeah, that was the whole thing. So let's see in the GitHub and open the our social media scheduler. It's able to work on it. So you can say that the whole repository was public. So if you want to use how you can use, I will tell you the simple step. In case there is a reading file was there, you can just read the instruction. Who developer who wanted to add, you can use this. Or if you wanted to use directly, just go to code, download it. It takes some file. Then go to download section. So you can see that and click on right click and extract all. Extract. This is fine. So some time to extract and it's open. Go click and click on start. make sure you just have the Node.js installation in your computer. So if you does not have, so it does not work because it is a JavaScript prompt and all. So please install the Node.js, then you can see the whole fresh dashboard was showing up. So you can just add thing completely. It will completely and store in your structure only. So yeah, that was the whole thing. That is from our video. So I put the link in the description. You can just click and you can open my GitHub repository and you can just use completely for free, no cost, no API cost, nothing. Just you have to install in your computer and all data was stored in the backend only. So for your computer, so no leak or privacy cost and all. So that was the great thing. So yeah, that was you can use. That's all.